since Mama's going to get the rest of this stuff, is to attach it. It's like a tunnel. Come here and look. Let's open it. Let's open. Uh-oh, scratches. Let's open. Hey, you don't want to look at it? I can't hold the steel. Here. Come here. Here. Come here. We get presents. You get presents Mama buy you. Look what Mama buy you. I'll have to get that together. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. What is this? I'm going to put this together. Look what this is. Come here and look. You don't want to check it out? I'll put it together. Come here. 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 Let me see if I can get that steady while I put that together. It's nice. Phone. Come here. Come here, check it out. Let me figure out how to do this. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. That looks like fun. That looks like fun. I don't know what that tie is. I guess that's to tie toys from the top of it for you to, you don't want to get in there? Look. You can go lay in it. I'll have to put you a pillow or something in it. It's for you to get in. You want to put Mousy in there? You can put all your toys in there. Oh, you want to check this out? Here, let me, come here. Let me get that open. Come here, where are you going? It's a scratching post. I think it has catnip on it. If not, I'm going to put some on it. Come on. Come here. Look, I'm not going to be doing... this is for you, not for me. Come here. Come here. Why is it that when you tell cats to come here, they never do? Come here. Look. Look. Look at this. Look. You might like that part. I gotta put that apart. I gotta put that together. See? That goes on there on the stand. Uh-oh. That scared you, didn't it? Here you go. Come here, Remy. Remy, this is not for Mommy. It's for you. Come here. Here. We're going to screw that in there. Somehow. Oh, I see. Come here. Mama see. Somehow. Come on. Come on. I think the post goes there. And then your little punch thing goes somewhere. Did he not have directions on that? It's a natural seagrass post. You'll probably be more interested in the box than anything, because you're a cat. And cats like boxes. Let me see. I didn't know there's a lot of movement. Sorry about the movement and I'm trying to open the presents and put things together and hold the camera too. Okay, now where's the directions to put this together? I guess you guys just figure it out, huh? Come here, Remy. Come help me figure this out. Come help me figure this out. Come here. It's even got nice carpet on it for you. Now, I gotta figure out. I guess I have to just look at the picture and figure it out. Oh, here we go. There are the directions. Turn post upside down, unfold base, and position onto post on the center hole. Are you not going to help me? You're not going to help? You're not going to help me? It's all for you. Okay, come here. Let's put Mousy in there. I bet you go in there and Mousy goes in there. Look. And toys. That's a good place for your toys to go. Huh. I'm throwing that in the trash. See, all your toys are going in there. See? They're not scared to go in there. Okay, well, you're not interested, maybe.